one. Got him. Whoa. Welcome back to the channel, beautiful people. He's pulling me in the hole. Holy moly. Don't come off. And I forgot my net. Oh, goodness gracious. Look at this. Guys, look at this fish. What a freaking stud. And I get to weigh it. That's what I'm using right there. That's the Rattle and Chunk by Guggen. A lot of guys use it as a trailer bait. I threw it on as kind of a Ned situation. This fish is heavy, I can tell you that much. Brand new Guggen scale. Last time I was out, you guys saw that my scale wasn't working. I changed the batteries and it still wasn't working. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see that. We're at 5 pounds, 3 ounces. What a stud fish. Here we go, guys. Look at this fish. What a stud. Right there. Springtime bass. Woo! What a beast. I'm gonna get her back in and catch it again later. Whoa, nice lunch break, huh? Here she goes. What a freaking giant. Whew. Well, like I said, welcome back to the channel. I'm out here at the usual spot. I don't have very much time, so I wanted to go somewhere close. I really want to venture out, but it's currently 41 degrees right now. It is pretty chilly out here, and I really just was looking for an excuse to get on the water. So I don't even know how that happened. I feel like I was just kind of daydreaming there, not really paying attention, and just started to reel down on it. I could feel something was happening, but that was a quality fish all day long. So yeah, this is it. It's real simple. I've got that Rattle and Chunk, and just got it on like a Z-Man Ned rig, and I'm just working it real slow in the rocks. Well, boys and girls, that completes the Rise short little video today, and I guess it asks that age-old question: would you rather go out and catch one 5-pounder or go out and catch 20 dinks? And today I'd rather catch the one 5-pounder, because later on, as the season continues, we're gonna be weeding through all of those dinks to get to the 5-pounder. So there will be plenty of that going on. So, you know, I wasn't out here very long, a little over an hour maybe, because I just got a little bit of a break and I caught the big one, and now I'm headed back in, going back to work. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next adventure. Be blessed.